passing there was 158.865 and 158.852 on the Eastman's Railway service from Liverpool Lime Street to Nottingham, and this now trains that and today we find me at Deansgate on the Liverpool to Manchester line, so being seen services by Northern, Transpennine Express, Eastman's Railway, and maybe some freight as well. I don't know, I haven't been here before, so it's going to take me some time to get used to. Joining me is Jack Allen Transport. Like and subscribe to his channel, he does amazing content. So with that further than well being said, let us see what Deansgate has to offer. Now defined is the 1339 Northern service from Manchester Airport to Blackpool North, 331026 and 017. As also behind it will be the 1339 Northern service from Blackpool North to Manchester Airport. As you can probably tell, we've switched to the other platform because it'll be easier better for you. Now the plan is the 1339 Northern service to Manchester Airport from Blackpool North. If you want 105 takes it away. Passing through now is at Eastman's Railway service from Norwich to Liverpool Lime Street. 158.774. And 158.799 brings up to here. As also passing is a Transpennine Express 397 going from Edinburgh to Manchester Airport. It's going to be held at red, which is 397005. It's not scheduled to stop here either, so should see it on the move shortly. Okay, 397005 has now been given the single yellow to go into Manchester Oxford Road to head for Manchester Airport from Edinburgh. Calls our way out. Okay, it's soon to come through now. After recently deployed Manchester Oxford Road will be a northern service going from Manchester Oxford Road to Liverpool Lime Street. As behind us is 197.006 working its service to Manchester Airport. Here we have 150.030. with 156413 on the rear. Now heading off is 197006 with a Transport for Wales search from Leonardo to Manchester Airport. As also passing is another Transport for Wales search going from Manchester Airport to Leonardo. 197013 on this one. Incoming now is the 1356 Northern South to Manchester Airport. 331018 will catch her this as she departs. Incoming now is the 1356 Northern South from Manchester Airport to Barrow Furness. The one behind me is from Liverpool Line Street. So leading this one in is 195118. These two as they depart. Now to Pine is the 1356 Northern South to Manchester Airport from Liverpool Line Street. 331018 takes it away. As off goes 195118 with the 1356 Northern South to Barrow Furness from Manchester Airport. Arriving now is the delayed 1352 Northern South from Barrow Furness to Manchester Airport. 195125. We'll catch this one as he departs. Okay, making the preparation to depart now 6 minutes late will be the delayed 1352 Northern South from Barrow Furness to Manchester Airport. Which is 195125. Lovely two-tone from the driver, thank you very much. Okay, arriving in about 5 or 6 minutes late is the 1400 Northern South from Manchester Airport to Liverpool Line Street, led by 331031. Lovely tone from the driver, thank you very much. Now making our preparations to depart now is 331031, working the delayed 1400 Northern Service to Liverpool Line Street from Manchester Airport. Okay, soon to come around the corner now will be a Trans-Pennine Express service, working a service from Liverpool Line Street to Doncaster. And about 2 minutes late. Should see a pick round the corner any second now. Oh, hello. As incoming is 331023 and 331024, working the 1410 Northern Service to Blackpool North, and on that Trans-Pennine Express service to Doncaster. I couldn't tell you the numbers of them. We'll catch you this one as she departs. Now departing is the 1408 Northern service from Manchester Airport to Blackpool North. 331024 and its classmate at the front. Only about a minute late. Beside her is the 1409 Northern Service to Manchester Airport from Blackpool North. Catch the numbers for that one. Now departing 2 minutes late is the 1409 Northern Service from Blackpool North to Manchester Airport. As soon to pass will be a Trans-Pennine Express pair of 185s working a service from Doncaster to Liverpool Line Street. Leading this set out is 331101. Comes the Trans-Pennine Express 185s. Double pair. Leading the front set is 185 139. Nice way from the driver, thank you very much. 185 112 is on the rear. The one in now is the 1414 Northern Service from Southport to Manchester Oxford Road. 150 115 leading. We'll catch the numbers of the 156 on the rear of that one when she departs. Now departing is the 1416 Northern Service to Manchester Oxford Road. 150 115 leading. 156 408 brings up the rear. So see that return and she heads back to Full Circle. Okay, soon to come through now will be one of our final trains of the day, which will be a Trans-Pennine Express 397 going from Manchester Airport to Edinburgh, running about 6 minutes late, which is led by 397 005. Second being is a northern service from Liverpool Lime Street to Manchester Oxford Road, I do imagine. So it's taking its time to come around the corner, so I should leave it there. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you liked what you've seen here at Deansgate, please like and subscribe. Feel free to leave any comments and recommendations of stations you want me to do in the comments below, so I'll try to get back to them as soon as possible. I was hoping to spend more of the time here at Deansgate, but the weather's started to get a bit heavy as it's starting to rain a bit heavy, and I don't really want to be stuck in a station where it's going to be pouring it down with rain. I'm unsure of what station I'm going to do next, because this station was a last minute thing, because I was going to do Manchester Victoria, but had to call it off because of something else. But by the time this video is out, it'll be in the comments below. So until then, from me here and from Jacko and Trainspot, I'll see you all later. Take care guys, and goodbye.